Spirituality is not some nonsense up there. It is about becoming available to life process in its fullest possibility. What condition of your body, mind and emotion makes you more available to life than the way you are right now? You tell me. Even to simple aspects of life, you are more available only when you're in a certain state of pleasantness, isn't it? Don't worry about your spiritual progress. There's no such thing as spiritual progress. Are you becoming more available to it? That's all the question is. Let's not talk about something which is not in your experience, because if I talk about something which is not yet in your experience, there are only two options, either to believe me or disbelieve me, isn't it? Believing doesn't get you any closer, disbelieving doesn't get you any closer. So let's talk about something that is in our experience. What condition, what state of mind, emotion, body, and let's leave the energy because that's not in your experience. What condition of your body, mind and emotion makes you more available to life than the way you are right now? You tell me. If you are sad, do you become more available? If you're tense, do you become more available? If you're peaceful, do you become more available? If you're blissful, do you become more available? In which condition would you become more available to the life process? If you're in utmost pleasantness, you become more and more available to everything around you, isn't it so? Right now you're feeling very happy. This one comes and asks some stupid question, you're okay with her. That one comes and asks something else, you're okay with her also. This one comes and asks something, you're okay with that also. You're in a certain state of unpleasantness, you're irritated, frustrated, angry, depressed about something. This one comes and even tries to say something nice to you, this yes or no? Even to simple aspects of life, you are more available only when you're in a certain state of pleasantness, isn't it? So let's measure by that standard. If by the day, if you are becoming a more joyful human being, you just keep accounts of this on a daily basis. From yesterday to today, am I a little more joyful? If you're keeping accounts and if you're becoming more and more joyful by the day, and your face instead of becoming like this is slowly becoming like this, that means you're progressing. Yes, you're definitely progressing. Because spirituality is not some nonsense up there. It is about becoming available to life process in its fullest possibility. Not just to the physicality, not just to the mentality, to becoming available to life process in its fullest scope. This is spirituality.
Alright then, now I would like to continue with a very beautiful Zen saying. There is a saying that when you are ignorant, mountains are mountains, rivers are rivers, clouds are clouds, trees are trees. But once you enter the spiritual path, mountains are no more only a mountain. Rivers are no more just rivers. Clouds aren't just clouds. Trees aren't just trees. But once you arrive and once you are enlightened, once again mountains are mountains, rivers are rivers, clouds are clouds, and trees are trees. From ignorance to enlightenment is the full circle back to the same place, but with a huge difference, a world of difference, a difference which is indescribable. So, one dimension of the spiritual process is to put your life on fast forward. You want to accelerate the process of evolution, and once you put it on fast forward, your joy, your pain, your suffering, everything becomes more intense. With certain type of spiritual practices, we are setting our energies in certain direction. So when we are doing our kriya, we are setting our energies on the path of the ultimate. And once you do that, it is very important that your body, mind, emotion cooperate and align themselves to it. If your energies are going in one direction, whereas your body, mind, and emotions are going in other direction, there will be a conflict, there will be a struggle. So once you are actively on a spiritual path, some people might tell you that yes, now everything will be okay. But it is very foolish to think like that. Because being on the spiritual path is not about making everything okay. Rather, if you want things to be okay, you have to fix them. And still, only some things will be fixed, not everything. So, the significance of being on the spiritual path is not to seek comfort, rather, to put your life on fast forward. So, the one sign that shows that your sadhana is working now is that you are now taking your own responsibility. Sometimes you might see that there is a very great fluctuations in your emotion. Sometimes you are very much joyful in little things, whereas other times in little things you become very much angry. This is because the more fluctuations that you ever imagines are happening now in your life. Things, the emotions that would happen in 10 years are now happening in just 2 months. Whether you have the courage, capability, and stability to take it is a question, and it totally depends on you. So, once you ask for speed, if you ask for speed without stability, you are asking for trouble. So, sadhana is a measured way is created so that in one hand it creates stability and on the other hand it creates speed. If there is no speed on you, it will feel like a tombstone, not going anywhere. But if you are very fast, it feels like you are on a roller coaster guide. Therefore, stability plus speed both are very much important. Anyone will not work in your life. So, the significance of being in the spiritual path is not that everything is going to be fixed. Even if nothing is fixed, I am not going to be crazy. I am fixed. So, everything is fine with me. This is how you are becoming now, and this is how you should become now. That is, you are taking your responsibility while doing sadhana. Each and every point, you are just inculcating it within yourself. So just stick to the sadhana, just stick to the practice. Your energies are always on the path of the ultimate. But with spiritual process, they have hastened the process. So with the natural process of evolution, it was going slow, but now it is becoming quick. So be happy that you have started taking your responsibility, and also be ready that more and more chances are coming to take your own responsibility. So to make your sadhana successful, and the one sign that shows that your sadhana is becoming successful is the more fluctuations come in your life, the more responsibility you are taking now. Hope you are ready, and yes, you have to be ready. There is no other way. So at last, winding up the video, hope you loved the video and found it meaningful. And if yes, do not forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. Up to next, stay safe, healthy, happy, and namaskaram.